Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.
Triple digits for it to be dangerous. Let's talk about our scorching car scale for today. For a place like, say, San Diego, 90 degrees is your forecast high, but after just 10 minutes, 109 degrees. That's how hot it is in your car. After 30 minutes, 124 degrees. That is absolutely unsurvivable when you're talking about leaving anything in your car, because we've already had more than 20 hot car deaths this year, and we don't want any more of those. So make sure you're checking the back seat. Tallahassee already very hot today. 97 degrees is going to be your actual high, but it's going to be baking inside your car. 116 after just 10 minutes. After 30 minutes, though, 131 degrees. That is just going to absolutely skyrocket that body temperature, and it becomes dangerous and even deadly. So, Chris, it's always so important that you remember, check that back seat and never leave the kids or pets in the car for any amount of time.
Yeah, some of the forecasted amounts of snowfall, power outages, down trees, is certainly going to be a possibility. But I think this graphic speaks louder than words.
You know, we could just stand in front of it and point at it, and you're going to get the point here. We're talking about weather whiplash. These are the high temperatures. That's insane. 37, the high.
And it happens quickly. I know that we're showing today's forecast, but look at this. We stay hot going into Sunday and Monday, still in the 90s. And then Monday, your high's 91, the low 33.
And just for perspective, I want to point it out. The average high in Denver is around the lower 80s. So if you, say, live in Florida, you might think, well, Denver's cold anyways. No, we should be in the lower 80s.
Yeah, and typically snow. The earliest snowfall we have ever had, September 4th. So this won't be the earliest, but it's going to be in the top 5 earliest snows. Average first snowfall is not until mid-October.
I'd like to know how many times we went from the triple digits, though.
This may be historic for not only Denver, but really the country as a whole. And it's not just Denver. Look at Nebraska. I mean, not as extreme, but still mid-90s to the low 50s and rain. You know how cold that's going to feel?
Throw in that wind, it's going to feel even worse. It's going to definitely feel winterish.
So here's that pattern. We're talking a major front. This is not your typical fall front. This is notable and is going to have drastic consequences, especially in the form of winter weather. So that first snow can always be difficult for drivers, so take it seriously.
Head a little bit south and take a look at the regionals across the southeast. You can see here that's not the case for everyone. We do have the chance for some scattered storms, mainly later in the day in Dallas, San Antonio, some storms for you, but Orlando, lower 90s, a mix of sun and clouds. Let's get to tomorrow. There we go. We've got this chance for rain still sticking around Florida, but sunshine for places like Atlanta. Little Rock, lower 90s, and sunshine for you on Monday. I would say in general, a lot of us are going to have beautiful days for Labor Day weekend. In Orlando, just plan around that afternoon storm chance. Chris.